Are you self-employed and you're looking for your dream rental home here in Jamaica? Not to worry, I am here for you. I am Elizabeth Whitaker, your real estate agent here in Jamaica. My contact information is 876-316-3381. Hey, don't forget to share and hit that subscribe button for more useful videos. Here we go, my self-employed people. So you may not notice, well, if you're in rentals, yeah, you will notice. Jamaica has changed. And when I say change a lot. Homeowners are becoming more and more official when it comes down to renting their properties. Yes, they are. Gone are the days when you have a property and you go by the papers and you put that property in the paper, and then guess what now? I get up early Sunday morning and I grab the paper and I ring. Is the property available? Yes, I would like to come and have a viewing. Sure, gone are those days. Landlords are becoming more official. Listen, landlords nowadays, they are using agents because they want to ensure that the persons renting their property, that these persons are qualified people, right? And guess what? I am here for you, all right? Now, I know that here when you call and the first thing you have persons ask, do you have pay slips? Oh, no, I don't. I am self-employed. Not to worry. That may be an issue for some persons, but it's my job to walk you through that process, right? You don't have to have pay slips. I am here for you and I'm going to show you how to be qualified. So, before I even go down there, so, as my mother would say, don't go down there, so little girl. All right, so let me tell you something. It is my job as an agent to take your hand as my future clients and walk you through the process. And I am going to give you the inside scoop on how to become qualified when it comes down to renting a property as a self-employed person. So, one, you do not need a pay slips to do your rentals. Because once you have a bank account, all you have to do is ensure that your money is going through the banking system. Guess what I'm going to say to you as your agent? I'm going to say, listen, Tom, or better yet, Melissa, whichever one comes, do you have a bank account? You're going to say to me, yes, Liz, I do. And hear me now. Do you have a bank statement I can get? You're going to say to me, oh, yeah, man. Because guess what happened? Gone are the days when you have to go in the bank to get a bank statement. No, you have online banking now too. You can stay in the comfort of your home and get your online banking statement. And once you get that, guess what? You give that to me. And that is equally as good as the pay slips. You understand what I'm saying to you? And yes, as I was saying, once you're self-employed, your money needs to go through your bank account. That is your paper trail. That is your pay slip to say that, yes, I am qualified and I can pay this rent. That is all the proof you need. And again, as I said not too long ago, that you can stay in the comfort of your home and access your banking information online, and you can take off banking statement from your mobile device or your computer for those of us who use the computers, right? And once you have that, I'm going to say to you, listen, I'm going to ask you for your TRN and I'm going to ask you for a valid ID. No, you don't need to worry if you have a driver's license. Just send me a picture of the driver's license and that covers the TRN and the valid ID. Isn't that so? My mommy does say, 2 birds, 1 stone. Yep. And once you've done that, then there are little work here and there that you and I are going to do, like fill out some forms. Easy stuff, not to get your heart beat up. These are simple things that you and I are going to go through as your agent. let me tell you something when it comes down to this industry. Yeah? Not all agents are the same. You need a good agent to take you through the process of your rental. Because let me tell you something. When you find that dream property to rent, you're not the only one who is in love with that property. Isn't that so? If you love it, it means others love it too. If you want to live in it, it means others want to live in it too, don't it? You need an agent with a strategy to work for you to ensure that you get what you want. Right? Isn't that so? I am that agent for you. My name is Elizabeth Whitaker. My contact information is 876-316-3381. And do not forget that you need to share this video and subscribe to this channel for more useful information. And also, let me tell you something. You have agents out there, they will just send you. Or you can go and look at it and let me know. No. I take you through the process from start to finish and I ensure that you are taken care of. Listen, customer service is my #1 priority. Listen, I have a thing that I always say, happy client, happy agent. Because once you're happy, it means that I am happy. It means that I am doing my job. And my job, again, as I say, is to serve you. All right? Bye.